to withdraw your TikTok earnings directly into your Naira account. That is what we are going to be tackling in today's video. If you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Chimadika Kedikime, because me, I am fine. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. I don't take this for granted. That being said, let's get back to the topic of today. Now, in my last video, I showed you guys how to link your international bank details to your TikTok account for you to be able to withdraw your earnings from TikTok. Please, if you have not watched that video, you need to see that video before you watch this particular video. If you just go ahead to watch this video might not really make sense to you, because in that video I taught how you can get your international bank details from your Gray app, then link it to your UK TikTok account, so that when your UK TikTok account pays you, it goes directly into your international bank details before you can access it. But if you have seen that video, we are going to be continue from that point. We linked our international bank details to our UK TikTok account so that we can withdraw our earnings. Now, if you have gotten to that stage of linking your international bank details to your UK TikTok account and it is completed successfully, the next thing you're going to do is wait for 5 days. After 5 days, TikTok is going to send your earnings into that bank details that is linked to your UK TikTok account. But you know, they are going to take their own commission or their own share before they will send you the remaining balance. Now, when your money gets to your international bank details, they're also going to take their own interest. After that, they're going to be collecting $2 from your earnings, and you are left with the remaining balance. At this point, they're going to be seeing your pounds sitting pretty inside your international bank details in your Gray app. At this point, I'm going to be taking my phone to show you how you can now convert that your money into your Naira account, or how you can send that money into your Naira account. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. Please like this video, share this video, and don't forget to comment your opinion or what you think about UK TikTok accounts in the comment section. I'll be there.
All right, you already know that after 5 days they're going to be sending your money into your Gray bank account. All right, the next thing you're going to do is, you see add money, you see send, you see convert. Okay, if you're using a UK TikTok account, you already know yours is in pounds, so I'm going to click on send. Okay, you see send via bank transfer, send via mobile money, and the rest of them. Just click on send via bank transfer. All right, you see send to new recipient. If you have not sent money before, obviously I have not sent before, so you're going to click on send to new recipient. You're going to choose the country you want to send to, so click on Nigeria. Next up is the currency. Obviously click on Naira, then it brings you to this interface. You are going to select the bank name, so let me look for particular bank. Now we are going to use, let's go for Zenith Bank. Now let me put the account details. Now you're going to see my name, Chimadika Lesson Aunike, then continue. It brings you to this interface. All right, now let's just add any amount here. Let's do 200 pounds. Okay, now 200 pounds in Naira is 272,620 Naira. Okay, now if you look at total fee, you see that to send the amount of money you want to send, they're going to be collecting $2 from your money, and they will now send you the remaining balance of 197 pounds. Do you understand? Because today's rate is 1,377 Naira. So yes, go ahead and try yours. This is how you're going to do the same for yours. When you get to that point, click on continue, and after a while, it will not take up to an hour, you see your money sitting pretty in your Nigerian bank account. So do this and thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Ngwano Kode.